Hello man, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to increase sound quality on Samsung Galaxy S22. Let's begin! As a little disclaimer, this video will not consist of, well, actually you can just buy better headphones and you'll have better quality, because that's not really the point. I want to show you what can you change in the settings that will make your sound infinitely better. I just used sound, but whatever. First of all, let's enter the settings and let's scroll down a little and go into sounds and vibrations. Now, let's go all the way down and click sound quality and effects. Here we have a few different options, and I believe that by default every single one of them is actually disabled. So let's enable some of them. For example, we have Dolby Atmos. Now this is a very known technology, you might have heard of it. If you didn't, well, it basically improves the audio quality. And we can make it so it's enabled. And as you can see, we can experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. Of course, this is like this fancy talk, but what does it actually do? Well, basically, depending on the original source of the thing you're listening to, like music or movie or whatever, it will change few parameters so that thing will sound better. By default, we have it to auto because, like, people usually don't really mind and always forget to change that. But, for example, if you tend to listen to a lot of podcasts, you can set it to voice. If you listen to a lot of music, you can set it to music. And if you watch a lot of movies, you can set to movies. But generally speaking, you don't really have to do that. All you really want to do is set it to auto and it will be fine. Also, we have Dolby Atmos for gaming. We can get realistic Dolby Atmos sound automatically when you play games, because as you could see there are no games option, and the problems with games is pretty simple. It is not deterministic. Like, if you have podcasts, then you know you will always hear podcast. If you're watching a movie, okay, a movie is actually a kind of different one, but if you're watching a movie, then like maybe there's some music in the background and there's voices, but generally speaking nothing really changes. However, in the game you can go sneaking around and another second you might shoot with someone, or like, it's just an example. But Dolby Atmos for gaming tends to be a little more power hungry, and of course it's much more adaptive. But if you tend to play a lot of video games, you can enable it. We also have Equalizer, and Equalizer is a little bit more advanced, because in the Equalizer we can basically change whatever we want, and we can increase or lower certain values. So this is the normal values, everything is at equal, but we can go into pop. And as you can see, pop looks like this. We can go into classic, it looks like this. Jazz looks like this, and rock looks like this, with 1K being almost muted. Now, I am out no means an expert at this, but if you want to learn more, there are sources in the internet that allows you to learn how to actually do that. If you know a little bit in theory of music, then you should have a lot of fun in the Equalizer, but I will leave it as normal for now. And lastly, we have adapt sound, and let's make it so it will have the allow, and it's basically only in relation to calls. As you can see, the adapt sound gives you perfect sound that's turned just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing headphones. Choose a preset that matches your age, or take hearing tests to create a personalized sound profile. So basically, and this is for calls and media, and you can just click if you are under 13 years old, and that's basically it. That's all you want to do. And if you really want to, you can, for example, make a little test. You can enable, like, you can play some YouTube video and play it without all those settings. So with Dolby Atmos disabled, with adapt sound disabled, so you can just hear the difference after you enable all of that, and then listen to the same music video or the same YouTube video, and you should hear the difference. Of course, we also have the ability to add a personalized hearing profile, and we can do that by doing a hearing test. But it will probably take me some time, and I don't really want to waste your time doing the test. But as you can see, we can hit start, and it will only work if we have headphones. So of course, our ability to hear is the best. If I remember correctly, the test will also consist of, for example, testing if your left ear is better or right ear is better and all of that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you have some other tips and tricks on how to make your audio quality better, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.